In this video, we go in search of black lemurs endemic to the island of Madagascar. And boy, do we see some cute lemurs, including a mouse lemur. And we see other tropical forest animals. Join us. Good morning and welcome to Madagascar. Woo! This is bucket list day because I want to see lemurs. I want to see lemurs in the wild, and this is the only place in the world to do so. Cannot wait. Lokobe Reserve. Did you say there's 68 kinds? Wow, he's so cute. Oh, look at him. He wants on the stick. Ah. Oh, I'm going to take a ride. He's like, hello. Beautiful. Oh, is that him? Oh, little hairy butt.
Okay, come on here.
A boa constrictor. I'd never notice him.
Nah, it's gone now.
Oh, he's really pretty.
Yeah, but the head's gone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. This is smallest.
Oh, he's looking like what's going on? Yeah. He's looking at the door. Oh, he's.
Very good.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you're very
Thank you so much. That is amazing.
What is that?
Mango tree.
Maybe there is the female one around here, but you cannot see. Because where there is a female chameleon, there is always male.
She's staring at us. Oh my god, sis, they're all up in that tree. There's like 4.
Oh, look, who's looking at who?
Yeah, she's just coming up.
You'll see that when you get.
Do you see him? He's looking at you. There's another one up there. Oh, there's another one too. They're all 3 up there.
Oh, she's beautiful. Oh my gosh. There's another one with a tail.
One exposing himself.
Well, they do these things. And there was one other one over here somewhere, but
Up. There's a girl.
there's one.
Black one.
That was a lot rougher than I expected. But then again, if I made it, most people will make it. We had a couple people who almost didn't. It was tough. You can see by my face. But wow. Seeing the lemurs, bucket list. Bucket list. If you're ever here, come to this one. I know there's another lemur place, but this was a fantastic choice. Thanks so much for watching. I'm on an amazing adventure with cruises in South Africa and a world cruise that has ports in Europe, South America, Australia, New Zealand, and Asia. So click the Travels with V and Steve icon below to subscribe so you don't miss a video.